Ads offers an easy way to track your website conversions and optimize your campaigns for better performance. To create a conversion in Google Ads, navigate to the Tools and Settings menu in the top right corner and select Conversions. Now click on New Conversion Action. Now choose the type of conversion you want to track, which include actions on your website, app, or phone. Now enter the URL for the website you wish to measure and click Scan. The scan will determine if your site is already set up to measure conversions. You may also receive suggestions for conversion actions that you can create. You can also set conversions up manually. To do this, click on Add a Conversion Action manually. Here you will have to select a goal category and enter a conversion name. To create a conversion action to track the number of requested quotes in July, you would need to click on Request Quote and name the conversion Requested Quotes in July. Next, you will need to select a value to measure the impact of your advertising. It is recommended to use the same value if you are tracking leads, signups, or page views. In this case, we will use a value of 1. Now, you can edit the click-through conversion window, the engaged view conversion window, the view-through conversion window, and the attribution model. Once you have made your choices, click Done, and then click Save and Continue. You will then be directed to the next page, where you will get instructions on how to add an event snippet to your website code to begin tracking the created conversion. And that's it. You've successfully created your first conversion. Go ahead and ignite your inner data detective and watch as tracking conversions help you take your business to the next level. Now, if you have any questions on how to set up your Google Ads account or have any requests on what you would like to see next, make sure to leave a comment down below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.